Hey guys, it's Crypto Marie. She does it all, a little bit of everything. This information I'm going to bring to you guys is to bring alertness, awareness of the cryptocurrency. Now, we have seen some big asset management are getting into crypto. By the judge ruling, XRP is not a security. You guys see how things can take off when we get back to the bull run market. So for you guys to know where you're at right now, where we are going to be 4 to 5 years from now, I have to take you back to 2009, 2008, when the first cryptocurrency was created, but put in the market at 2009. We're looking at it right now. I'm in an aha moment because seeing that one Bitcoin cost 0.3099 per Bitcoin and now costs 30 to 32,000, and one time, yeah, I remember 2021 when the crypto market was at $3 trillion, crypto cost is $69,000, and a lot of professional, a lot of analysis are saying it's gonna be $500,000 one day, $1 million, because it's very scarce. It's not that many Bitcoin was created. I've said it over and over. 21 million Bitcoin was created, and at the end of the day, we have people that lost Bitcoin that will never recover. And my thing is, the same way Bitcoin is at a point in its life, people are gonna pay what you want for it. That's the value I am giving you. You want it, you take it. You don't want it, I'm holding my gold. It's the same thing that's gonna happen to XRP, XLM, all those coins that we have now, ADA, Cardano, Matic, Polygon, Gala. A lot of coins now we don't care to look at. Looking at how much Bitcoin was back then, it kind of changed my perspective in life when I look at other cryptocurrency. Just because it has a few zeros in front of it, just because it had 1 zero, just because it costs a penny, 10 cents, $1 or less than $1, don't mean it can get to Bitcoin value. Of course, the other cryptocurrencies has more tokens created in it. It could make the difference, but at the end of the day, do your research, do your own due diligence. It will pay off later on. So again, let me go a little bit deeper on how one Bitcoin costs 0.3099 per Bitcoin and now costs $30,000, and at one time cost $69,000, and in the future it could cost $1 million. I mean, we have to do the research. That's one thing about me. I know my channel will take off. I know I'm going to have so many people coming in, share the word, spread it around, and give me 5,000, 10,000 subscribers, 25,000, $500,000, because this is, at the end of the day, this is what I want to do. I enjoy doing this. But the fact that I have to go to work sometime, I don't have time to do the research that I need to do to bring the information that you need. So let's go back. It says 0.3099 per Bitcoin. The New Liberty Standards Exchange recorded the first exchange of Bitcoin for dollars in the late 2009. Users on the Bitcoin Talk forum traded 5,050 Bitcoins for $5, y'all. Damn it. For $5 via PayPal, making the first price mediated through an exchange a bargain basement price of 0.00099 per Bitcoin. My goodness, where have I been? Oh, that's why you need to be connected to the right people, yeah. If I were to be connected with the right people, let me tell you something. I would have been a billionaire right now. Guys, I'm telling you, I would do overtime to put it on Bitcoin, man. But remember, I'm telling you that to make sure you know what's going on. And at the same time, we missed out on Bitcoin. We missed out on Ethereum. We missed out on Shiba, some people. We missed out on Dogecoin. But there was more to come. Not all of them are good, but you could do your research and get to the game before it's too late. We have BlackRock, Fidelity, Charles Schwab's, all these big financial assets management are getting into the game. Bank. Come on, y'all. Get into the game, man. I don't care how much you have. You could have 10. Remember, think about it. If you had 10 Bitcoins back then, you'd be a millionaire right now. You have to see it this way. It doesn't matter how many you have, how many XRP, how many XLM, as long as you're in the game, you are in it to win, period. Okay, so let me go to finish this up. The New Liberty Exchange, we called it that the first exchange of Bitcoin for dollar in the late 2009 was 0.3099. For 5,050 Bitcoin, it costs $5.02 via PayPal. While Bitcoin was officially launched on January 3rd, 2009, it's tough to find any standard pricing before mid-2010. That's because they weren't exchanged in the same way that they are today. However, data became available in July 2010 and continue to this day. So, let's see. It was in 2010 that the most expensive pizza of all time were purchased. I remember that. One Bitcoin owner offered 10,000 Bitcoins for 2 pizzas, an offer that continues to live in Bitcoin law. It's considered the first time that anyone used virtual currency to buy something in the real world. I wonder if you regret that now. Yeah, I did a story on that back 2 years ago. I mean, about a year and a half, if I'm not mistaken. According to the historical data of investing.com, Bitcoin's price never broke above 0.40 cents. I would love to see it like that now. I would go crazy per Bitcoin in 2010, but did manage to hit that level in early 2011. Then in February, it cost $1. This is the mark, $1. Just a few months later, in May, it briefly exceeded $8. I would love to know about this. I would go crazy too. A stunning 8-bagger in mere months. By June 2011, Bitcoin price had hit nearly $30. Oh my God, a seemingly unimaginable rise from just months before, and that's where it topped out for the year. Bitcoin spent the remainder of 2011 just dwelling to as low as $2. It goes back and forth. And we see this now with our favorite coins. It goes up, it goes down. So it's the same pattern. Before finishing the year at $4.70 after this bubble bust and a more than 90% fall from its all-time high, it might have seemed as if the Bitcoin fad was over. In 2012, Bitcoin spent much of the year consolidating, slowly growing stronger throughout the year. In November 2012, Bitcoin went through its first halving. That's what's coming soon. A change in the reward structure for miners, where they receive half as many Bitcoin for mining blocks on the blockchain. As 2012 came to an end, Bitcoin finished at $13.50, just off the high for the year. Can you believe this? $13? Come on, y'all. That consolidation set up Bitcoin for a strong run in 2013 when it began to attract more notice outside a niche audience of techies and hobbyists. The world's first Bitcoin ATM was installed in Vancouver, allowing buyers to change fiat money for crypto. By the end of January, Bitcoin's price has already risen to more than $20. I would still buy it. The momentum built from there as interest spread. By early March, Bitcoin had already doubled again, rising to more than $40. A couple of weeks later, it surpassed $50, and then days later, $60. It climbed to $70 the day after that. By the start of April 2013, Bitcoin had passed $100 in breaking fashion. Then 8 days later, it spiked to $230. My goodness, guys. From there, it was just a week until Bitcoin was back at $68. It went back from 230, it went back to $68 as the bottom fell out. But then a week later, it had doubled again and traded north of $150. After the strong trading action in April and May, Bitcoin spent June and July setting down. Surely this was the peak of the insanity for Bitcoin volatility. Okay, guys, listen. Y'all know the story. And if I were to go over and over, probably tomorrow I finish it. I'm going to call this one part 1. And tomorrow, God spare, I'll finish the whole story. How Bitcoin pick up to from, $1.50 to $30, $68, and then go back and forth, just like all the other coins are doing right now. And one time, 2021, it hit $69,000. Now, what's the purpose of this video? Is to remind you guys, Bitcoin started at 0.3099. Same can happen to XRP, XLM, any of our favorite coins. And I don't want people to come later, 5-10 years later, say, oh, damn, where have I been? Like I'm saying right now, like if I had any connection, how do we miss out on Bitcoin? People like me were not on social media. We're not connected to anybody in the tech and the, social media industry. So I really didn't know about Bitcoin. Actually, to tell you the truth, there was a guy at work that mentioned something. But since I was not so into social media or the internet savvy, I missed out on it, and I regret it. I didn't buy any, and I don't want you to miss out on those coins right now that are going crazy. XRP is one, XLM is another one, Pepe is one, although it's a meme coin, but there was a lot of, the community is strong, it's big. It can get to the next level. Terra Luna Classic, Shiba Inu, meme coin, but they can change as time go. I don't want, if God spare, God make me live a little 20, 30 years later to hear people saying, oh my God, why didn't I invest? Crypto Marie, she does it all, did her homework, bring the information to you. You have no business not to do your own research, your own due diligence to invest. This is part 1, how Bitcoin get to where it is today. Do not miss out. And tomorrow I'll give you the rest from August 2013 to December 2017, the breakthrough for Bitcoin. May God bless you. Have a wonderful day, a wonderful weekend. Thank you for subscribing. Leave a comment. Tell somebody you know about this channel. We can bring it to 100,000 and next to 500,000. I can do this as my primary job. May God bless you. Subscribe. Bye.